Good morning, Mr. Zolkin. My name is Jerry Rose. I'm the owner of Localogy. We're a digital marketing and reputation management agency here in Columbia, along with you guys. And we specialize in search engine optimization. I want to record this video this morning for you so I could share an opportunity that Northpoint might want to take advantage of. As you see here, this is your website. One of the good things about it is that it's responsive, which means it shows equally well on cell phones and tablets as it does on desktops and laptops. And today, 50% of all searches are performed on mobile devices. So responsiveness is a good thing for a website to have now. Now, as you see here, I did a search for Columbia, South Carolina HVAC repair, and Northpoint is showing up in the 13th position on Google. Now that's good, but it could be a lot better. And I did a search for Columbia, South Carolina AC repair, and you're showing up in the 9th position here, which is better, but still not ideal. As you may be aware of, 70% of all searches on the internet don't get past the 5th location on the first page of Google, which means if you could ever get down in the first 5 slots here, or possibly into what we call the snack pack, which is the Google My Business listing, it could as much, well, at minimal, double your revenue generated by your business, because you're where most people are looking. Now, this is great, but what the back end of your website is telling Google is what I'm trying to show you now. This is our SEO scanner. This is everything that your website is telling Google it wants to be searchable for. So your title tag is the first thing that Google sees, and your title tag needs to be improved. It says heating and air conditioning repair in Columbia, South Carolina. Now this part is great, heating and air conditioning repair, because those are keywords, which is what terms that people enter into Google or any search engine when they're trying to find a service or business. But it needs to be shorter. Optimally, Google wants to see it between 10 and 70 characters long. Right now, it's 117 characters long. And the second thing it shows Google is called the meta description. And your meta description does not contain any, well, it contains a couple of keywords, but it doesn't tell Google what your website wants to be searched for in an efficient manner. It says Northpoint repairs and maintains HVAC and AC, which is good, but it should ideally just be keywords so that Google knows what you want to be searched for. And headers are another important thing for Google search. And as you see here, your headers are simply information about Northpoint. It should be keywords so that your website's telling Google what it wants to be found for. It gives you information about your particular industry. And as I said earlier, terms that people are searching for when they're looking for a business. Now, these are things that you can repair on your own, but if you're not too good or an expert at doing things like this or at search engine optimization, I'd like for you guys to give me the opportunity to repair this, and I think that I could get you to the first few spots in Google without an issue. That's what my business does. So if you're interested, all of my contact information will be contained in this email. And I appreciate your time, Ms. Zolkin. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day.